Okay guys, so in order to make our cauliflower mash, the first thing we want to do is to steam our cauliflower. So here I have it in a bamboo steamer to steam. What I'm doing here is adding a little pink Himalayan sea salt to it. So I'm salting my cauliflower as I'm steaming it. I left it here to steam maybe for about maybe 5 to 8 minutes. Basically just steam it until it gets soft. Alright, so that's the first step that you'd want to do. Okay guys, so to make our cauliflower mash, we're gonna put our steamed cauliflower in the food processor. I'm gonna put 1 roasted garlic in. I'm going to put a little bit of clarified butter or ghee. And let's just combine everything. Alright, so once you have processed your cauliflower to your liking, you're just going to put it now in our serving bowl. Here we have it here in our serving bowl. Of course we can taste to see if we need to add any more salt, so let's do that. Okay, I think I can sprinkle a little more sea salt. I'm just going to sprinkle some sea salt, because remember when I was steaming it, I did sprinkle some salt on it. So I'm just going to combine that. Alright, so that should be good now. Yes, that's good. Right, so what we're going to now, just to top it off, I'm just going to sprinkle it with some spring onions. Just going to use up all of that. Very nice. So there you have it, folks, our mashed cauliflower. As you can see, it's a very simple recipe, and it's not difficult at all, just a few ingredients. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you will know when I publish new videos. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.